What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today from the auction preview. I am previewing a 2005 Volvo S60 with 87,000 miles. And this little car is quite a jewel. It's a two-owner car out of let's see, where was this thing out of? It was out of Florida and then Tennessee. Let's crank her up. 87,500 miles. Man. I love the 5-cylinder Volvos. They are so hard to beat. So hard to beat. Great cars. And I mean, just gotta kind of maintain them a little bit. And this one has good maintenance on the Carfax. Main thing to check for is like oil leakage and of course head gasket failure signs, but more oil leaks on these things. This thing's very nice. I do have a low beam failure. I got a bulb failure on the low beam. This car's really clean. I mean, look at these touch points. For an 05, I mean, look at these. Look at this. No smudges or even the darn headliner still hanging in there, which is shocking. 87,500 miles. Gosh, that's low. Headliner's peeling a little bit here on the A-pillar, which is very common on these, but they're easy to glue up. Alright, let's see what she'll do here. Very good. Got great power. Little 5-cylinder, strong. This is the light pressure turbo, 2.5T. This is not, you know, in a cross country or a R model. I know they're beefed up a little bit more. This is just kind of the base turbo. I think it's right about 200 horse. And it's not bad. It moves this car along pretty darn good. I mean, pretty darn good. Let's do our little walk around here. You'll be as surprised as I was at how clean this car is. I think it was a garage kept unit. We got fairly new tires all the way around. Of course, we got the passenger side bulb out. No big deal, no big deal. Those headlights need to be polished up anyway. We got a couple of new tires on the back. The fronts are just okay. But look how clean this car is. I mean, and I love this color of tan. It's almost a chocolatey color. Don't know if I've seen this in a while in a Volvo. Now, I do see car seat impressions. No big deal. Again, yep, and feet print. But, you know, all this will clean up. A few stains on the floor, but seriously, very clean for its age. So there we have it, guys. Another windy day at the auction, but a 2005 Volvo S60 Turbo. I'm definitely going to have this one on my short list tomorrow. So, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.